Oh, okay. This right here is finna turn my damn car into something a little more spicy, you hear me? A little more spicy. Feel me? This is the Z Automotive Tazer. This right here gonna lock all the other screens to my shit. You feel me? Oh, first thing we gotta do is we gotta take this little sheet off so we can reach. Don't mind that, that's my stars. We gotta reach the plug to where we can connect this double bypass. If you don't know, if you have a Dodge Challenger, Charger, Mopar, whatever it is, and it's 2015 and up, I think, or it might be 2018 and up, you're going to have to spend an extra $50 and get the double bypass that's on their website. So that means I can't connect it to the regular ODB port. That's right over right there. I can't connect to that. You have to run a double bypass, and the double bypass is right under this. So the first thing you want to do is you gotta take this out. Hold on. Bam. When you take this shit out, you feel me? That's the little carpet board, whatever it's called. You're gonna reach this. You see it? You gotta get a pen to pop this open. Let me get a flashlight. Hold on. So what I did was I took my key and I took this little tab down. Took this little tab down too, which lets you get to these right here. The whites and the greens. That's really all you need to do. You plug it in. You feel me? You gonna feel me? Whites and the greens to whites and the greens. It doesn't matter which specific white plug you put it into, because you got 2 free ones right here and then 4 free ones on the green one. Don't mind me, bitch. I tried to hop in my damn car. Ew. Fully in this bitch. Ew! You got the white one, you got the green one. You gotta put them in these right here. You see it? White to white, green with green. As you can see, I got them in. And once this part is done, all you gotta do is you take the other piece, which is this to this, the female and the male. You plug them together. Then you gotta find plug, spark plug 32. Next thing you gotta do is take a screw, 10 millimeter, I believe, unscrew this just a little bit. See it? Unscrew that a little bit, just so you can take, where is it? You can take this and put it right here. Just like that. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna refasten it. Same thing. I'm using this. Okay. That's been plugged up. That's been goddamn fastened. And then you done tapped it. Now we're gonna do a test run by taking, where is it? I think it fell down here. Yep. We're gonna take this, plug this up, and see if I did it correctly. Let's see.
A few minutes later.
Yep, just like that. Got it on. Alright, bam. Hey, look, everything plugged back in. My stars are back in. All that wiring done. You feel me? At the end of it all, it should look like this. Yep. Bam. So when you finally here, you got everything up, you're gonna hold this button right here and tap cancel to activate this little screen right here until you find Mary. Keep tapping cancel until you find Mary. You feel me? And then after Mary, you press the cruise control button, aka the yes button, which is gonna look like this. And then it's gonna Mary, see it? And then you just let that count down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're now get. No, I'm playing. See, now you married. Feel me? The bypass, aka the Z Automotive Tazer, is now married to your car. So, bam. When you click all the settings you want, you feel me? All you gotta do is go to the reboot button, press this, and let it count down, let it do its things for the reboot. And then when it reboots, it's gonna do shit like this. You feel me? Let it rock, let it do its thing. You're gonna open the door, restart the car, because right now the car is on run mode, not on mode. You feel me? Look. Everything should be good now. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn it off, open the door, close it, start it. As you can see, that's a new splash screen right there. And bam, dude. When everything done, you set it up how you like it. You get the SRT modes. Now, I already got majority of these modes. This is the only page that I did not get. That's the only page that I did not get. All these other modes, all these other pages I got already. Like, the goddamn this shit, not this, hold on. Where is it? Race options? Yeah, all that, I got that already. I got these already. That came stock with my vehicle. This is a 2022 RT Plus. It comes with a whole bunch of track options and all that other bullshit. If I look, my car even got the super track pad right there. If I press it, these already came with the car. The only thing my car did not came with, and it pisses me off a little bit, well, until now, because I fixed it, was this. That's it. You feel me? I ain't even tried it bit yet, but I'm finna try to drive it. You feel me? See how that bit feel. I heard that bit feel a little bit. Yeah, you did. Yep. Cause this ain't even gonna be like a full POV. I'm just trying to see how it feels. It for sure feels a lot jumpier. I ain't gonna lie, that was right. I seen a nigga on YouTube review it. He was like, okay, it makes the throttle a lot more responsive. You don't gain no horsepower. You don't gain no horsepower, dude. But you do get a lot more of the horsepower that's already in your vehicle, which I kind of fuck with. I ain't gonna bet. Hold on, I'm finna try to get a quick little pull, see if I feel the difference. For real. Put these damn windows up. Hold on. You gotta look this way, then look this way. As you can see, I got that bit right here. We about to go. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. Alright, bet then, shot it. Okay, talk your shit. Alright. Okay. Oh yeah, you for sure feel the difference. I ain't gonna bet. You feel the difference. Okay, cool. The throttle is way more responsive. I ain't gonna bet to you, bro. The throttle way more responsive, dude. Yeah, that throttle is way more responsive. That shit way more responsive, boy. I ain't gonna lie. It does feel a lot better though, I ain't gonna lie. It's not like a super duper crazy, you feel me? But it's like, okay, you for sure feel it. Like, you for sure feel it, bro. You feel it for sure. It feels way different to when it wasn't in the car. When the Z Automotive Tazer wasn't in the car, it felt way different. This was the main reason why I bought it. The page, plus the extra throttle response. Now, of course, my throttle response is gonna get better. It's gonna get faster. The car can get faster regardless, because I plan on supercharging this bit not too long from now. You feel me? This was technically the first modification, you feel me, performance modification I done added on to the car. So, you know, I'm finna drop a lot more videos regarding the journey of me building the car and shit like that. But y'all stay tuned, that's a whole nother video. This specifically regarding the Tazer. The Tazer cool, I ain't gonna back. The Tazer cool, it's cool. Yo, as y'all can see, we back. It's currently 8 a.m. in the morning right now. And I'm finna head to downtown Fort Myers. Continuing on from what I said yesterday regarding the Tazer. It does feel a little bit different. It does feel a little bit better. The throttle response is less like laggy and shit. I'm ashy as hell, man. Don't joke on me too damn bad. Yeah, it's a lot more responsive. You feel me? It does feel a lot better. I won't lie to you. I'm waiting for this slow ass truck to hurry up and get the hell on so I can, goddamn. It's morning traffic right now. And then 12 be a bitch. You telling me to, oh, you turning, look. Like, it didn't get no faster. I know it feels like it, or it might feel like it got faster, but it ain't getting no faster. You know what I mean? It did not get no faster. What had happened is, from what I'm thinking, and from what I've seen online, and from what I'm just generally knowing by car knowledge and shit. First of all, that shit only touches your TCM, your PCM, and all like your computer monitors, right? So it's not gonna add any actual real horsepower that's not already in your car. The throttle response feels a lot better, but it's the same throttle at the end of the day. It's not like I upgraded my throttle, you feel me, thought about it or something. It just feels a lot better. It feels how it's supposed to feel from factory. You feel me?